Well, good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Hope one's having a fantastic Saturday. We're looking at plenty of sunshine outside, and of course, looking at quite a bit of heat. We did have a thunderstorm move through Marshall earlier this afternoon, which has dropped temperatures down, yes, into the upper 70s. A very muggy afternoon is ongoing throughout portions of East Texas. We are seeing a little bit of some rain activity. You can see a little bit of rain here, now moving through portions of Northeast Texas, moving just towards the east of Jefferson. We're seeing some scattered thunderstorms just towards the south of Atlanta into Cass County, near the community of Linden. This May, if it holds together, will continue to make its way over Caddo Lake. We're seeing right now. We'll see some impacts towards Atlanta, maybe even over into Oil City and Vivian. This should remain towards the north of Shreveport-Bossier. You can see another shower or two just towards the west of Texarkana. So we can see potentially some more showers developing over the next hour or so. As we have a weak disturbance on by, and we also have some more rain extending as far south as Lake Charles and even back into Houston. But as a result, temperatures again this afternoon are pretty hot. 94 in Shreveport, about 91 degrees in Natchitoches, 92 in Texarkana and the Queen, 93 at the current temperature into Mount Pleasant. And for tonight, we'll see temperatures falling back down to the middle 70s. Then for tomorrow, we'll see more heat, of course. We'll see a high around 97 degrees in Shreveport, about 95 in Minden, 96 degrees in Texarkana, about 95 into Marshall, and also down towards Carthage. So, Robin's FUTURECAST shows this evening look at mostly clear skies, which will allow for temperatures to fall down to the middle 70s. As we head towards your Sunday, we'll see a mixture of sun and clouds. We could see an isolated shower or two. Otherwise, we'll see, of course, more heat. Temperatures into the middle 90s. As we could see a few rain showers. This model here shows best chance of rain probably occurring over northwest Louisiana across the southern parts of the region. Those showers should begin to dissipate as we reach towards the evening hours. Lows falling back down to the 70s. We'll still have that southwest wind in place. And for Monday, more of the same. Mixture of sun and clouds, lots of heat. For temperatures back up into the middle to even into the upper 90s. As we have a ridge of high pressure in place. And the ridge of high pressure will be the main weather story over the next couple of days. Not real alarm for much significant rain. Now, we could see a stray shower or two underneath the ridge of high pressure. Otherwise, we're going to see lots of heat for the next couple of days, as we'll see daytime highs for many of us into the middle to upper 90s. But we may see the heat ridge begin to break down some as we go into next Friday and Saturday. As I do have a weak disturbance moving on through that may bring us an uptick in rain chances for Friday and Saturday as the ridge of high pressure begins to retreat and move more towards the north and west over the western part of the United States. So all in all, looking very hot for the next 7 days. Speaking of heat, the tropics are also beginning to heat up as well too. We're watching now 3 disturbances out into the Atlantic. The one closer to us may bring some impacts towards the Lesser Antilles and maybe towards Hispaniola and Puerto Rico over the next 3 to 5 days, although that has a low chance of development. The next wave behind that system, this has about a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days. Look at some of the models. This may become our next named storm as it moves towards the west. As of right now, it poses no threat to the United States, but of course, still a long way away between now and then, so just be mindful that we're getting closer to the peak of hurricane season, which normally occurs around September 10th and September 11th. The next 7 days, those shows lots of heat. We'll see highs for many of us into the upper 90s. Lows at night, not much cooling to the middle to upper 70s. Small chance of rain for Sunday. Then we're going to see a slightly better chance of rain, potentially for Friday and Saturday, with temperatures by next weekend easing down a few degrees into the lower to middle 90s, but lows tonight remain very steamy to the 70s. So all in all, lots of heat, not much rain to come over the next 7 to 10 days.